Hello everyone, today we'll see how to upgrade the BIOS version of your MSI B365M PRO-VDH motherboard. You can try this method to any other MSI motherboard as well. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download the BIOS file. For that, go to the web browser and type BIOS update for MSI B365M PRO-VDH, or instead of MSI B365M PRO-VDH, you can type your motherboard name. So as I have B365M, then I'll just type this and hit enter. Now go to the official website of MSI and click here. Now you will be directed to the product page of your motherboard. I am using B365M, so I am directed here. Now go to BIOS. Here you will get the latest BIOS available for your motherboard. So just click here to download it. It will be downloaded here. It's downloading. It will be just a small file. Now after downloading it, just go there and extract it, and now open the extracted folder. Open the folder, copy these files and copy it, and now you need to put it in a hard drive or a pen drive. So I'll just plug the pen drive in and come back again. So now guys, I have plugged in the pen drive, and now let me just go to the pen drive. Yeah, so I've plugged this pen drive. Now let me just format it. Yeah, so it's just safe to format the pen drive before putting the files in. So yep, it's formatted. Now let's go to the extracted files, copy these files and paste it in the root folder of pen drive. Paste it. Yeah, this is done. Now let me just open this text document. What is it? My BIOS release BIOS features version Windows 11 supported. So in this BIOS, Windows 11 is supported. So its release date is there and something more information is there. So that's it, we have done it. Now let's just eject the pen drive. Successfully ejected. Now you have to restart the PC. Click power and click restart. So it's restarting, and while the PC restarts, you need to continuously press the delete key on your keyboard so that you will be redirected to the setup page. Press delete, and now I am in the setup. So here, this is the setup, and you can check the BIOS version here. BIOS build date 1/7/2020. So we'll update this code. Go to mflash. System will auto reboot and enter flash mode. Do you want to enter flash mode? Yeah. Click yes, and this will start to reboot the system. Just wait for it to be done. Enter flash mode. Yeah, so we have entered the flash mode. Now current BIOS, you can see here, model name and build date. We'll update the current BIOS to the selected BIOS, which has the build date of 11/17/2021. So now select the BIOS and enter. Before doing this, make sure you have a redundant power supply, because if the power supply fails during the update, then your motherboard will just be useless. It will be completely damaged. So make sure you have a redundant power supply before doing this upgrade. So just hit enter. Are you sure? Do you select the file? Yes. And now this is the warning. Don't shut down or restart your system until BIOS update process is completed. Notice mouse and keyboard would be locked during the updating. So you can see the progress in the progress bar below. It's 5-6%. It's pretty fast. Just wait for it to be done completely. And again, I'll show you, this is very important. Don't turn off the power supply or don't remove the flash drive or pen drive from the CPU. Otherwise, it will just damage your whole motherboard completely and it is not recoverable. So it's pretty fast, 45, 46. It's doing it. Wait patiently till the process completes. Yep, it's 100% now. So I think it's done. Yep. So now it will just go blank automatically and it will restart again, I think. It's restarting. The power is gone and it's restarting now. Yep, it started and let's hope it's done. Click OK. Pro Series. So let me just again. It's restarting again. It's restarting twice. So just again press delete so that you enter the setup. So now we are in the setup and you can check the BIOS build date is updated to 11/17/2021. Means the BIOS is updated and you now have support for Windows 11 as well. So now let me just escape and go to my Windows. So now guys, the PC is restarted successfully and it's working perfectly fine. So just to reconfirm that whether the update is successful or not, we'll just go to CPU ID or CPU Z and go to mainboard and check the BIOS version here as well. So as you can see, the date and version is updated. Before this it was, I think, some date between 2020, I think. Now it's 11/17/2021, so it's the latest one. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for regular notification. Thank you very, very much.